Saan napunta ang pera? Does your partner question where the money goes because walang clear tracking? Kung ganito rin kayo, hindi kayo nag-iisa. No, merong isang couple na tawagin na lang natin silang si Rose at si Francis. Meron silang landscaping and gardening maintenance service. 6 na taon na yung negosyo nila. Nag-umpisa sila ng maliit, but it grew to servicing residential subdivisions and commercial properties. Galing, di ba? So si Rose naman, siya yung ang trabaho niya ay taga field work, no? Meeting clients, managing the crew, buying supplies. Tapos si Francis, siya yung nag-handle ng collections at bank deposits. Simple lang yung division of labor nila, di ba? Pero over time, Francis started noticing something. They were billing more clients pero parang hindi lumalaki ang savings nila. Tapos, kaya ganun, he started asking Rose, saan napupunta ang pera natin? Pero yung the way na nagtanong siya, sumama ang loob ni Rose doon. No? She felt attacked. Ako na nga yung nasa field buong araw tapos iisipin mo pa na kumukuha ako? So they started fighting. Naging matindi yung suspicion when Francis started double-checking yung mga receipts. And the more, si Rose felt insulted. Yung pala, yung totoong problema was not pagnanakaw. It was the lack of tracking. Rose was buying supplies as needed pero walang system to track job costs versus yung kanilang revenue per client. Walang comparison between magkano yung ginagastos nila at magkano yung benta nila. Some jobs hindi nila alam were actually losing them money pero hindi nila namamalayan. Gasoline, fertilizer, equipment repairs, all of those scattered receipts. There was no consolidated tracking. And when they finally sat down and created a simple job costing system, tracking revenue and expenses per project, doon nila nakita ang pattern. Merong projects na kumita sila, merong nalugi rin sila. They were not used to losing money, no? They were not actually losing money pala to dishonesty. They were actually losing it to poor systems. Kaya anak, ito yung lesson. When there is no system to track money flow, every question about finances, about money, feels like distrust. Kaya dapat, build muna yung system. Track income and expenses clearly, tapos mapoprotektahan both kayong dalawa from suspicion. I hope you will start doing that today. Okay? Tandaan natin, dapat always maging business-minded Pinoy.